You're ready to tackle a kitchen spill, you grab your Roborock Dyad, and it gives you nothing. You've had it on the dock for hours, but it's stuck in a perpetual 0% charging loop. It's basically a very expensive, very heavy paperweight that likes to talk back. So, what's the deal? At Robocare, our diagnostics usually reveal a triple threat. It's often a combination of a faulty battery and internal communication errors stemming from both the single main brush and the dual brush systems. When these motors fail, they can actually freak out the system and prevent the battery from accepting a charge. But don't turn your Roborock Dyad into a doorstop just yet. Robocare has the parts and the precision to bring your vacuum back to life. We don't just guess, we specialize. Our expert technicians have years of hands-on experience mastering the intricate internal architecture of the Roborock Dyad. We know exactly where these machines tend to struggle and how to bring them back to peak performance. Using our specialized diagnostic equipment, we've discovered that this charging failure is often a triple threat issue involving the battery, the single main brush, and the dual brush motors. Our approach is thorough. We don't just perform a surface-level fix. We carefully strip the unit down, identify the faulty communication lines, and replace the failing battery and brush assemblies with genuine components. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Look at that. New battery, new brushes, and total responsiveness. It's not just fixed, it's back to peak performance. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
If your Roborock or any vacuum is acting up, especially if it's stuck at that dreaded 1%, don't throw it out. Give it to the experts who actually know what's under the hood. Contact Robocare today. Trust me, your floors will thank you.
Ready to revive your vacuum? Contact Robocare today. Visit our website or call us to book your repair.